that say people don't stand up and protect their dreams. People are too scared of getting, spoofed in a way. And the irony of it is so many people that are creatives. Think about a creative person in school. When you picture them, you probably picture them all the way in the back of class, sketching or maybe getting beat up. And I'm the one creative. And this is the reason why I went on stage. This is the reason why I did this. Because creatives have got beat up my entire life. And there's moments where I stood up to drug dealers in Chicago and said, you can't have my publishing, come and kill me. Do whatever you're going to do, but you're not going to bully me. You're not going to stop me, because my mother made me believe in myself. No matter how many people tell me, stop believing in yourself. Stop saying what you can do. Stop affirming what you're going to do and then completing that in real life. That's the improper way to do it. I refuse to follow those rules that society has set up in the way that they control people with low self-esteem, with improper information, with branding, with marketing. I refuse to follow those rules. It's about truth. It's about information. It's about awesomeness. And the only luxury is time, the time you spend with your family. That's the only luxury. So this concept of luxury is improper to me.
You see, Crypto Learning Academy is more than just a website. It's more than just an academy. It's more than just some numbers growing across your screen with different arrows that's going up and down and all this stuff that you see. Crypto Learning Academy is about a group of individuals who are just spreading the message out to the world. We're connecting with the most talented people in the universe, and we're all like-minded. We all believe that we have unlimited possibilities. We all believe that we shouldn't have to stop based upon limitations that's been created for us by other people who told us what's possible and what's not possible. We all think differently, and that's what's going to make our tribe so strong, is that the people we do attract to Crypto Learning Academy, we're going to all be on the same level. We all feel that there's time for improvement in our system. We all feel that we're moving to a new age. This is the new digital age. This is all about digital economics, and we're going to be ahead of the curve. So we're creating our foundation right now. So if you're not really into this type of stuff, if you see our videos that we're pushing out, if it's too real for you, if you feel that it's not vibing with you, or you want to go to something that's more watered down or toned down, please do that, because we want to attract people that's like risk takers, people who are against injustices of our earth, people who are into collaborating together and growing together and creating power within each other, like spreading wealth and helping people to understand how to spread wealth, like growing communities, teaching people who never thought that they can believe, teaching them how to believe and understand that we have this infinite power within us. Those are the people we're looking for with Crypto Learning Academy. That's the type of group we want to grow with.
I got scared of the idea. Someone call you crazy so many times you start to believe it. And I almost got scared of the idea of like going crazy in some way, but I wasn't going crazy. I was like the only person that wasn't crazy. You know what I'm saying? Like I stand there and I just look like, is anyone else here seeing what I'm seeing? None of you guys are seeing what I'm seeing, or it's just like your Maybach in your house is like that important that you won't move at all.
It's distractions.
That you won't say anything at all in risk of losing something.
Right.
You won't say anything on anyone's behalf at this point. So if you have that ability to do that, to see that, that Walt Disney ability in some way, you have to apply it.